guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video session we will discuss the question number 6 of the 9.1 exercise. This question is important, it is of new profile, so mark in your textbook important question. Okay, so let's start with the question. What the question says: a 5.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So let's say at this PQ, which represents here, is a boy. Okay, and this boy height is how much? 1.5 meter is given in the question, and he is standing in front of this tower or a tall building, we can say this, where we have marked this A and B. Okay, so this is how much it is tall. This is 30 meter tall. It is given in the question. So it is standing at a distance of how much? 30 meter. No, it is not 30 meter. It is standing at a certain distance, and the building is how much? It is 30 meter tall. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So what we are given here, this boy is seeing at the top of this building, that means at this point A. So when he was standing at this position, his angle of elevation, his eyes angle of elevation is what? From the horizontal line. So this is a horizontal line. If we mark this point as, let's say, C, so PC is the horizontal line and he is seeing at the top of this tower. So what is the angle of elevation? It is 30 degree, and from here he moves certain distance, let's say till the point R. Okay, so he moved this much distance from point Q to point R. He moved that much distance from, so by that his angle of elevation is increases from how much? 60 degree. It is given in the question. Okay, so we are asked that to find the distance he walked towards the building. That means we have to find this QR distance, because this is the only distance which he has moved. So this is the diagram from which we have made from this given information. Okay, and what we have to find out, so if we have marked that this point is A, this point is B, that means the top of the tower, the top of this building is A and the foot is at B point. Okay, so this AB is what? The height of this building. This means it's the tallness. Similarly, the tallness, the height of this boy is given to us, that is 1.5 meter, and the angle of elevation is given to us, and we have to find this QR distance. This QR is the distance which he has walked, due to which his angle of elevation increases to the 60 degree, from 30 to 60 degree. So the things which we are given to us, I have written here. Okay, now, and what else thing is given to us? The angle of elevation from the initial point Q to the top of the building is 30 degree. And in this, if we consider the if we see this figure, what we will imagine? We will imagine a right angle triangle. Two right angle triangles we can imagine here. First is APC. APC is the right angle triangle of the initial situation when he was making an angle of 30 degree. Okay, and ASC, this is another triangle. This is a triangle, it is formed when he walked from point Q to the point R, and the angle of elevation increases to the 60 degree. Clear? And boy moves from point Q to point R, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degree, which is what? Angle ASC, as we can see clearly here. Now here, if you see here, PQ is parallel to CB. Yes, this distance is equals to this much distance, right? So PQ and CB, we can say that they both are equal to 1.5. This BC is what? Also, this should also be 1.5 meter. So if the entire AB side is 30 and CB is 1.5, can you find this AC side? Yes, you can find the AC side is what? AB minus CB, right? AB is 30 meter and CB is 1.5. So what is the AC? AC is what? 28.5. Now why we have computed this? Because we will consider both the triangle APC and ASC. Both these triangles we will consider. From APC we will find out the PC distance, and from the ASC we will find out the SC distance. And when we will subtract SC from this PC, we will get what? We will get this QR distance. This QR, this PS distance, and this PS distance and QR distance, it is parallel, so that means they are absolutely equal to each other, right? So in this direction we will solve this question. So here PC is parallel to QB. So if this entire PC is parallel to QB, then we can say that PS is equals to this QR and this SC is equals to RB, right? And since the tower is the vertical, then we can say that AC and P is what? 90 degree. ये पूरा एंगल कितना फॉर्म हो जाएगा आपका? 90 degree फॉर्म हो जाएगा. So now we will first find what? We will first working in the triangle APC. So let's begin with the question solution. In triangle AP, this point is, let's say, C. Okay, so in triangle APC, now what we will apply here? So we know that AC is how much? 28.5 meter. Okay, in this triangle we know angle P is how much? 30 degree. And what we have to find out? We have to find out this PC distance. Okay, so this PC distance is what? This PC is what? Adjacent side. Okay, and this is what? This AC is the opposite side. So it is better to apply which trigonometric ratio here? Tan ratio. So tan 30 degree is what? Tan 30 degree is opposite side of the angle 30 upon adjacent side. So opposite side is what? AC, and adjacent side is what? PC. Clear? Now what is tan 30 degree? It is 1 upon root over 3. AC value is 28.5 upon this PC. Now cross multiply the things. So what we are getting here? So PC is equals to 28.5 into root over 3. Clear? Now this is 28.5 into root over 3 is the answer. This is the PC. Now we will enclose this in this cloud because we will use it later on. Now next what we will consider? We will consider the triangle. What? This triangle ASC, when this boy has moved from P point to the point Q from at this point, right? So in the triangle ASC, we know that angle S is equals to 60 degree. AC is what? 28.5 meter, and we have to calculate SC here, right? So SC is what? SC is the what? Adjacent side of angle S. AC is the opposite side. So again what we should supposed to apply here? Tan 60 degree. And tan 60 is what? Opposite side of 60 degree upon the adjacent side. So opposite side is AC upon adjacent side is SC. So root over 3 is equals to 28.5 upon SC. When you are cross multiplying the things, what you will get? So SC is equals to 28.5 upon root over 3. And if we rationalize it, so multiply and divide with root over 3. So what we will get here? 28.5 root over 3 upon 3 meter. So this is the SC. So SC is what? 28.5 root 3 upon 3, and PC is what? 28.5 root over 3. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the PS. So what we will do? So to find the PS, we can say that if we subtract the SC from this PC, we will get the PS. Now what is this PC? Entire PC is 28.5 root over 3. What is the SC? SC is what? 28.5 root over 3 upon 3, right? So if we take the LCM here, what we will get here? So it is, let's take the LCM. LCM is 3. So 28.5 3 से multiply होगा into 3 into root 3 minus 28.5 root over 3. Now if you see in the numerator part, what are the things that are common? So 28.5 root over 3 is common, so just take out them outside. So 28.5 root 3 I have taken out common outside, so 3 minus 1 is left over. Okay, and here is what? 3. Now it is what? 28.5 root over 3 into 2 whole divided by what? 3. So PS is equals to 28.5 into 2. If you multiply this with the 2, what we will get? We will get 57 root 3 upon 3. Now this 3 cancels 57. Yes. How many times? 3 1 times and 3 9 times 27. So what is the PS? PS is what? 19 root over 3 meter. So we have calculated the PS. PS comes out to how much? PS comes out this. This distance comes out 19 root over 3. And we know that PS is parallel to QR. So this QR distance is also what? This is also 19 root 3. So how much distance that boy has moved from its initial point? So we can say that boy has moved 19 root over 3 meter distance. Clear? So this is what all about in this video, in this question solution. If you got my solution, then give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel and if you have not subscribed it, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video with the next question solution.